Hi you guys, it's Nylajai'ne and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to be doing rope twists. So first and foremost, I definitely recommend blow drying your client's hair or whoever hair you are doing. I am going in and detangling it first and then blow drying it so that the twist can be as flat as possible. So I'm going to go in, and his hair was already moist from it being washed, so you either want to add some water, heat protectant, whatever you want to do, and go in and detangle that hair and then go in and blow dry it. And then after that, you guys already know my parting technique. I parted his hair from ear to ear, and I use the lock and twist gel like I do in all my other videos. So I go in with the lock and gel and I clean that part up from ear to ear and section that hair off. And then we are going to start off by parting that very first back row. This all depends on the sizing of how you want your twist to be. These are just my regular medium size rope twists, so that is the size parting that we will be doing. So first and foremost, I'm going to section off a piece of hair. And I'm going to apply a little product, and then I'm going to twist the hair to the right, but I'm going to make sure that I am flat twisting it in the middle of that section of the hair, if that makes sense. So you're taking your thumb and your pointer finger and you're just twisting it in the middle and then twisting it down maybe like an inch or two. And then I'm just going to be clipping that away, and then I'm going to section off another piece of hair and I'm going to do the same thing, adding a little product, twisting it down maybe an inch or two, and then I'm removing that clip and I'm taking that piece that's to the right and I'm taking that and twisting it over to the piece that's to the left. So you're twisting the right piece over the left piece, and this is key to make sure that your twist stays in place, because if you are twisting it the other way around, it will unravel. And then I'm literally just gonna go in and twist that all the way down, and I add in some mousse. I'm gonna show that mousse right here. It does not have to be this exact product, but I go in with mousse just to have that hair revert back to its natural state, to make sure that it's bouncy and it's flowy. I twist that all the way down, and then I add just a little bit of product at the end of that twist just to secure it a little bit. And then just like you do if you were to do 2 strands on locks, if you guys have not seen my tutorial on how to do 2 strands on locks, I suggest you guys go ahead and watch that. But I basically am going to wrap the end of that hair around like a ball, and then I'm going to secure it with a rubber band, and that is literally it. And then I'm going to show that again.
Recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, if I told you that a flower bloom.
And so once you guys have done that, there will be a point where your squares may not be an even amount. So let's say on one row you had 6 squares, and obviously you would have 3 twists, but on one row you may have 7 squares, so it's like, how am I going to be able to make this work? So right here I'm going to show you guys what you need to do if the squares are not an even amount. So what you're going to do is you are going to do 1 twist just like what I just showed you, and then you are going to part another section of that hair. And right here I can tell that there are 3 squares left, or 3 parts of hair left. You're going to part that section of hair that's next to that twist, and you are going to twist it to the right just like how I did when I was showing you guys the tutorial earlier. And you are going to twist that over the twist to the left, as if you were just twisting 2 strands together, but you're just twisting this 1 strand of hair over 2 strands of hair. And you're going to add the mousse and you're going to twist it down just like you did. You twisted those first 2 strands together, and I'm going to secure that with the rubber band. And that's literally it, you guys. Very easy. When I was done, I did blow dry his hair just to make sure that the product was dry. I just went over and blow dried it for a few minutes, but I think that footage was lost because I remember trying to show his hair and I was like, oh my gosh, the camera is not recording. But I hope this was like easy for you guys. I feel like this is one of my easier tutorials. I definitely hope you guys understood. If you guys need another tutorial, any comments, questions, or concerns, please let me know. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Then please let me know what you guys would like to see next. So thank you for watching. Bye guys.